Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is John Rambo. I'm out here on the range today and less than ideal conditions, but it's been a while since I fired any shots, and I just really want to get out here and shoot a little. And what I brought out here with me was my brother-in-law's Radical Arms AR-15 and 223. He wanted me to kind of give it a test run, see what it do. This is a old Tasco Pronghorn 4-pair scope, and after I get done with this rifle, I'll take this scope mount off. We'll put it on my 6.5 Creedmoor, and it's going to be a temporary scope till I get a permanent scope on my 6.5 Creedmoor. But we're just going to test this little AR-15 out here and see what kind of grouping we can get out of it. This is 50 yards, by the way. Head down range, see what that done. I may take it back to 100, see what kind of groups I can get. Alright, now this is a 4-shot group. There's 2 in this one. I fired it about 25-30 yards, see where it was at. And this 3-shot group I just fired at 50 yards. It's not too bad, but I may take it back to 100 just to see what kind of grouping we can get. Alright, tubers, back here at the 100-yard bench, going to see what kind of group we can get out of this little Radical Arms AR-15. I'm going to aim at the neck of the target, just in case it's shooting high. I just did a brief zero at 50 yards. Let it have full. Let's go check it. Alright, I was shooting I tried to aim right here. I was shooting at a fairly fast pace. I hit 2 here and 1 here, about 1.5 inches apart. 1 up here. So, anyway. Alright, tubers, I'm back. Got the Ruger American 6.5 Creedmoor. I mounted the scope to it. I shot like 25 or 30 yards, and about 1 inch low of the X at that range. I'm shooting Remington Core-Lokt 140 grain soft points, advertising the 2,700 feet per second here. I'm probably going to keep this scope on here temporary until I figure out what exactly I'm putting on here. I'm using the 450 Bushmaster magazine I got in, but we're going to see what we can zero this thing in at 100 yards. You're probably better off using 3 rounds in this mag. It don't seem to light, seem kind of tight on the first one if you got 4 in there. But alright, I'm going to go down range and see where that's at. This is the only box of these I got, so I got to shoot them sparingly. for right now. Alright guys, back here at the 100-yard bench, see what kind of 3-shot group we can get. I had it about an inch high at 50 yards, don't know where it's going to hit back here. I'm just going to put 3 rounds in the magazine. It may work better 3 rounds in the mag, I don't know. I ain't even tried the factory mag. From what I read, everybody said the factory mags are pretty crummy, except for these. These are factory mags, but they're for the 450 Bushmaster. It sticks a little bit, but I think it's because of the squareness of the shoulders around. I don't know. Right, let's go down range and see what we've done. Now, this gun don't have much of any recoil really, but this is my first time shooting a 6.5 Creedmoor, but I do have a V6 compensator muzzle brake on the way, so I just couldn't wait to shoot this thing. Anyway, we're going down range. Alright, right here's 2 of my hits. Now here's the 3rd one in the shoulder. So, that's not too bad for my first 3 shots at 100 yards. These 2 are great. I don't know what happened here. Anyway, this is John Rambo, and I'm out.